नहीं ऐसा नहीं है कि पैसे मिले थे तो ऐसे बैठे थे, नहीं पता था क्या जोक्स आने वाले हैं। तो रोस्ट फॉर्मेट से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इस चीज से प्रॉब्लम है कि आई विश आई वाज इन ऑन दोस जोक्स। यहाँ पे दोस्ती थोड़ी पिन कोड कोडेड है कि अगर कांदिवली में रहते हैं और खार में रहते हैं तो उनका मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है। वो अपना मेकअप हेयर करके ऐसे जा रहे हैं, अपनी वीडियो बना रहे हैं। इट वाज ट्रूली an unhinged time. My female friendships are like my bras. You know? और इस शहर में एक चीज भी है ना, पहला सवाल ये है कि आप what are you doing now? How are you doing now is not a thing here. प्यार करने के लिए पैसे लगते हैं। अब कोई पेड़ हिलेगा, कोई पत्ता गिरेगा, कोई ब्रीज चलेगी, कोई बाल लहराएगा। जब तक ये सब नहीं होगा तब तक मजा कैसे आएगा?
Welcome to Just Too Filmy.
Thank you so much. I think we've been meaning to do this for a while now.
You have a show coming out on the 9th of August. It's called Life Hil Gayi. And you're the lead in that show. And I'm very excited for you. And, you know, I want to ask you, how exciting is it for you, you know, with this project to be the lead of it? What does it mean to you?
Honestly, like more than being the lead or anything, I think my character has some kind of an arc, you know. My character is important and integral to the show. I feel like when you get caught up in words like lead and all, I feel it gets very limiting. थोड़ा limiting हो जाता है ना वो, फिर आप उसी नजरिए से सोचते हैं। एक तो ये कहानी बहुत अच्छी है, लाइफ हिल गई। इट्स अ वंडरफुल स्टोरी, इट्स रिटन वेरी वेल। जब मुझे स्क्रिप्ट मिली थी तो मैं like I couldn't keep it down. I kept reading it. 6 episodes, all of it I read it I think in one go. And then to work alongside Devendu and Vinay Pathak sir and Mukti Mohan, Ishtiyaq Khan, Hemant Pandey, Atul Srivastav, Annapurna Soni, मतलब सब अपने आप में स्कूल है ना, मतलब everybody is just so wonderful. And प्रेम जो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं, तो I think पहली बार मुझे एक ऐसा रोल मिला जो एक इंसान था।
That's true. In fact, you said it कि यार यहाँ पर ये एक साउथ दिल्ली गर्ल को ह्यूमनाइज कर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है बिकॉज हम जब किसी भी कैरेक्टर को उठाते हैं तो हम भी ऐसा करते हैं बिकॉज हमें शॉर्ट फॉर्म कंटेंट में जितनी हम लाफ्स ले सकते हैं वही कोशिश रहती है। तो इट्स जोक आफ्टर जोक आफ्टर जोक, सो यू नेवर रियली सी द ह्यूमन साइड ऑफ थिंग्स।
करेक्ट।
तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि उसकी कुछ जो स्ट्रगल्स हैं of that person, of what is her thought process like, तो वो मुझे अच्छा लगा। They feel like real people. They just don't feel like something that was written for comic relief.
That's good.
तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे।
That's good. We have so much to talk about. Okay? I must acknowledge though, because as you said, this is a time that there's a lot that you've said already. Okay? You've come out of perhaps a tough time, okay, personally, and then after that, somewhere in the media, because the roast, it's not even been a month. 13 million views. Okay, mostly to see, oh, what went wrong. You put out everything that you really had to say. Okay, so I'm not here to go into that again. But I do want to ask you, what has been your biggest learning from this experience?
So the thing is, you said it wonderfully कि मुझे जो बोलना था वो तो मैंने बोल दिया. I think वो बहुत ज़रूरी था because बहुत सारे सवाल हो, अब देखिए जिन्होंने रोज देखा है वो एक अलग
ऑडियंस
है, अलग वो अलग उनकी फैन बेस है, एंड ऑल रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट। बट कुछ मैंने भी कमाया है इतने सालों में, तो मुझे बस उनको बताना था कि क्यों हुआ ये रोस्ट, ऐसा क्या था, क्यों मैं बैठी उन जोक्स पे। तो एक मेरी तरफ से ना एक सिंपल सा एक क्लैरिफिकेशन कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं है कि पैसे मिले थे तो ऐसे बैठे थे, नहीं पता था क्या जोक्स आने वाले हैं,
पैसे नहीं मिलते। ओके, हमें यहाँ पैसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं। I just want to say
to also educate some people, you know, you are not against roast form of
format, yes, bilkul.
I still enjoy the jokes Gurleen cracked. I enjoy the jokes
correct.
Kullu cracked.
Correct.
I enjoy the jokes Shreya Priyam cracked. I have respect for all artists. तो roast format से problem नहीं है, इस चीज से problem है कि I wish I was in on those jokes.
Correct.
बस यही बात है।
And you said it, yes.
हाँ, वेस्ट में ना बकायदा सब कुछ साइन ऑफ
रिलीज फॉर्म्स होते हैं,
सब आपको पता है। इंडिया में भी जो हुए हैं उस पे सब साइन हुआ है, सबको पता है। सबको पता था क्या जोक्स होने वाले हैं, तो यहाँ पे मुझे नहीं पता था।
बिल्कुल।
बाकायदा मेरे जोक सबको पता थे।
हाँ,
मेरे जोक्स उनको पता थे, तो मैं बस यही कह रही थी कि मुझे नहीं पता था कि क्या जोक्स क्रैक होने वाले हैं। और एक और जो बात आई थी ना कि मेरा रिस्पॉन्स डिलेड था,
टाइम लगता
तो
है,
क्या हो गया मेरा अगर रिस्पॉन्स
प्रोसेस करने को टाइम लगता है।
you know, for the it's very like when something happens to you, you get frozen. कि ये क्या हुआ। तो बहुत लोगों ने मुझे समझाया कि ये ठीक नहीं था, इसमें प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर फॉलो नहीं हुआ है। सो ये सिर्फ मेरी रियलाइजेशन नहीं थी, बहुत क्रिएटिव लोगों ने मुझे आके बताया कि दिस इज नॉट हाउ इट्स डन। So yes, you are valid in thinking that this was not okay. Format से, कॉमेडी से, रोस्ट होने से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। मैं टाइम से बैठी हूँ इंटरनेट पे।
No. Let's just go back to what you said.
Yeah.
What happened was not okay. And here's a woman who's saying something is not okay.
Yeah.
I want to talk about two things here.
Yeah.
The one is that in your post, you said something about, I want to do this for the women who follow me and for the trans folk who follow me. Because ये मेरे लिए एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उनकी तरफ है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल है।
What I also thought was splendid was the sort of editorials that were written after. Swati Chopra from The Quint wrote this piece. There was also Jyoti Sethi who wrote another piece. And I just felt that suddenly, and I'm here to talk to you, do you feel that the support for you, at least from the women in those corners, has been pretty evident and loud?
Yeah, it has been pretty evident and loud. मैं आपको सच बताऊं, रो इतना लड़ी है ना पिछले 1.5 साल में और थे मेरे लिए इंटरनेट पे। सो आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि मैं ऐसे कैसे नहीं बताऊं कि क्या हुआ है। बहुत वक्त तक अगर आप अपना सच ना बताएं तो लोगों को लगता है कि जो वो सच अज्यूम कर रहे हैं वही आपका ट्रूथ है।
बिल्कुल।
सो आई थिंक समटाइम्स इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू सेट द रिकॉर्ड स्ट्रेट। There is no hate to anyone. मुझे पता है सबकी mental health इस process में खराब हुई है, सिर्फ मेरी नहीं हुई है। So it's sometimes important to say कि हाँ कुछ missteps हुए, दोबारा नहीं होंगे। आगे women artists को मैं बताना चाहूँगी, just be careful. I am not saying kill roast, kill this, kill comedy. No, yeah.
Of course not.
I will sit for another one if there is one. If there are protocols followed.
In place, absolutely.
That's it.
Thank you so much. I know it. Let me also take a moment to say this. It's not easy for anyone who's going through something to address it, you know, publicly and on camera. So thank you.
Anytime, Rohan. I think if there has to be a safe space. There has to be people who will take it for what it is.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? मजाक खत्म नहीं होना चाहिए, कॉमेडी खत्म नहीं होनी चाहिए, ये जिंदगी है। और मेरी तो जैसी भी है, my coping mechanism is
comedy.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So,
you know, I remember so clearly in 2017-18 when you came down, and you have to go see this video. It's Kusha in a white sari, you know, doing some fun stuff with Priyanka Chopra, and we were in the same Taj Lands End ballroom because you know they'd made these sections जहाँ पर आप ये interview करो, फिर PC वहाँ पर जाएगी, PC वहाँ पर जाएगी, and at that time I remember we spoke so clearly, and my question is, at that time did you know that you want to move to Mumbai because there were these knocks on your door when you were in Delhi saying, "Didi, ये shoot के लिए आ जाओ." Then you were like, "अब यार 2-2 हफ्ते में बुला रहे हैं." So when did that penny drop for you, saying that I want to make this big move?
Oh man, Priyanka Chopra is an improv artist. वो किसी भी बात का जवाब दे सकती हैं। यूजुअली हम जब स्क्रिप्ट लिख के जाते हैं तो हम अपने सवाल तो लिखते हैं पर उनके जवाब भी लिखते हैं। उन्होंने अपना कोई जवाब नहीं पढ़ा, उन्होंने वही कहा जो वो कहना चाहती थी। एंड शी वाज सो क्विक, शी इज सो विटी एंड शी हैड कमबैक्स फॉर एवरीथिंग।
Yeah, she's really
So I think that is one of my most favorite interviews because Priyanka Chopra is just
fire.
एक तो उनका हर लैंग्वेज, दोनों लैंग्वेज पे इतना कमांड है ना, तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला हिंदी आपको सिखा दूंगी। The more way, I will share that video once this interview comes.
Yeah, you must, because I remember that day so clearly.
Yeah.
How does it really feel now? It's been over a year since you've formalized your move.
Yeah.
You know, new city, new people, and we've been, you know, catching each other's eye. Honestly, we've not really hung out or anything, but we've been DMing each other. I've been doing that mostly to check in, saying, "Do you need anything?" Da da da. How has that? Do you feel settled in Mumbai now?
I don't know. I think my definition of settled has changed for sure. I am yet to figure out what settling in Mumbai really is. क्योंकि ये शहर है, मिलते हैं पर मिलते नहीं हैं। ये शहर उसका है। तो ये एक तो समझना बहुत जरूरी था बिकॉज मैं जहाँ से आती हूँ जब हम बोलते हैं मिलते हैं तो हम मिलते हैं और फिर हम बैठे ही रहते हैं एक दूसरे के घर पे। यहाँ पे वो
Guilty.
सिस्टम थोड़ा नहीं
नहीं है,
तो
नहीं है।
वो समझना जरूरी है, उसके रीजंस हैं क्योंकि एक तो यहाँ पे दोस्ती थोड़ी पिन कोड कोडेड है,
बिल्कुल।
बिकॉज अगर कांदिवली में रहते हैं और खार में रहते हैं तो उनका मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरली इट्स अ लिटिल मुश्किल। और मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि जो लोग, माई हार्ट गोज आउट टू पीपल जो थाने में रहते हैं और एक इंसान वर्ली में रहता है, तो वो डेट कैसे कर रहे हैं? How are these people dating?
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
Absolutely.
So मुझे my heart goes out for that for sure. But I think I'm settling in my own ways. I will be very honest. I have not made a lot of friends here, which I had hoped. मैं actually बहुत ऐसे गुरूर के साथ आई थी कि dude, I'm an extrovert. Just you see, मेरा यहाँ पे gang होगा. कुछ नहीं है. That's what I say. मैं ही अपनी खुद की best friend हूँ. I am my 4 a.m. friend. Hello.
Hello,
Kusha,
darling.
are you doing okay? Yes, I am doing okay.
I love it.
So I think what the city has made me realize is that you don't always need people to be okay. Sometimes you just need yourself.
Brilliant.
And skills and art and maybe working out and finding a new hobby.
You know, it's not easy for a human being. I'm saying man, woman doesn't matter to have too many changes in their life. I've experienced the same. When I moved to another country, when I came back, and at that point I was dealing with a loss. Similarly, for you, moving to another country, dealing with a loss. I wonder, and I'm not talking about the loss itself. I want to ask you, what have you learned about people? Are they unkinder to women when they're going through something personal? And if you're a media figure, how have you perceived this?
Unkinder to women society is anyway. So I think that is something my mother has had to go through, because I completely shut myself to opinions or anything, because I was like, I do not have the bandwidth for it. So I'm sure my mother can speak very clearly about it, as she had to maybe speak to relatives and speak to society, and you know how she has her own life, like वो
And she's
मंदिर
still in
जाती
Delhi.
है या फिर वो पार्क जाती है, तो उनकी वो अपनी सोशल कम्युनिटीज हैं जहाँ पर आई एम श्योर शीज हैड टू फेस ओपिनियंस, एंड दैट इज हाउ द वर्ल्ड वर्क्स प्रीटी मच, एज this is the reality, this is the truth of where we live in and the times we live in, right? And as much progress is happening and we hope for it to happen, some things pretty much remain the same.
Yeah.
So that is one thing. The other aspect of it is that you know, you can't pick and choose what's going to happen to you online, especially if you've opened up your world and life to a lot of people. You can alter how you share your life now going forward, realizing the consequences of sharing your private life with people. But I don't think you get to pick and choose. It is unkind. It is unfair. That is there. Assumptions will be made. People will speak on behalf of you, and then you are like, what do I give explanation for? These are a range of topics. So at some point you have to pull back. You have to realize that the people around you should know your truth. The people who you really care for, the people who will be, you know, who are standing with you during your good times, your celebrations, your wins, your losses, and hopefully down the line who will be around your deathbed. You know, those are the people you care about. So no, I don't think you get to pick and choose.
I'm so curious because they keep telling us be yourself.
Yeah.
And they say if you want to be successful, be yourself. And yet we really can't. Okay. And then I'm like, no, today I'm going to be this person.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I'm going to be some other person. But there are a few things that I've noticed about you. Okay. One is that you still share.
Yeah.
Because that's intrinsic to who you are as a person. ये मेरा sharing बंद नहीं होगा. क्या वो बदला है कि क्या शेयर करना है क्या नहीं, वो थॉट अभी आई है?
बिल्कुल.
Oh God.
I think
That's horrible.
my private life is off limits for sure. I don't think I'll ever share it ever again. It's never going to happen. I think you should be anyway if you're in the public space, more about the work you do. My main gig is not my personal and private life, right? I'm trying to make content. I'm trying to become an actor now. Those are the things I would like to talk about more. I don't think I want to talk about anything else.
That's good.
Because and I don't even regret what has happened in the past, right? That was my learning curve as a creator, as a person who had just come on the internet in a profession that internet did not even know.
एक सेकंड, you were the first, one of the first, जिनका कोई ब्लूप्रिंट नहीं था. You know, आज आप एक एक्टर हैं, लेकिन उस दौर में आप एक्टर नहीं थी. 1 second. we are OG Kusha fans. South Delhi girls. 1 second. What do you remember about the iDiva phase?
Oh my God, हम कितना काम करते थे रो, you have no idea. हम मंडे से लेके थर्सडे तक आर्टिकल्स बैंक करते थे, सब, all of us. एंड फ्राइडे को हम शूट करते थे, जो कि हमारा पूरा कंटेंट वीकेंड पे जाता था. तो वो हसल कुछ और थी, वो वक्त कुछ और था. एंड वी वर सो, आई थिंक we were hungry. All of us were so hungry to make something of ourselves, and then आपको वो opportunity दिखती ना, like अब ये नहीं छोड़नी, अब ये नहीं छोड़नी. So it was बहुत बहुत मजा आता था. हम ऐसे तैयार हो गए फ्राइडे को, अपना मेकअप हेयर करके ऐसे जा रहे हैं, अपनी वीडियो बना रहे हैं. हमारे क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर संटू मिश्रा फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं कि हाउ टू मेक द गर्ल्स लुक ग्लैम. इट वाज ट्रूली an unhinged time, जहाँ पे fear नहीं था. There was no place for fear.
Absolutely.
You know, like I feel like as you grow, as you become,
I have a theory. When you grow older or get more famous, your balls shrink.
yeah, they do. They truly do. And I feel like there you have to find what are your little corners and your corners of like courage and gumption. कहाँ से निकलेंगे वो फिर आपको ढूंढना है.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
But it's absolutely okay to feel scared. I feel it's a very natural human emotion. And I also feel the only way you can be more free is if you keep pursuing what you want to.
Yeah, truly.
That's the only place where you'll probably find little less fear. So that's there.
How can we forget, darling? Like that phase, oh my God. And there were girls from that phase. You all were all, blazing superstars. And I remember that you, Dolly, Komal in her own right. And here, I think it was her birthday recently, and you put up this amazing post about her. And it made me like literally just call my girlfriend. And I was just like, listen, man, Kush has put this post for Komal. I'm getting damn emo for you. And then she's like, are you trying to say that I'm Kusha or Komal? And I was like, this is why you're a big loser and I love you. What do you think is the most important thing in this friendship? That not just with Komal, like female friendships, what's the most important?
मेरी तो है ही female friendships. मेरे हैं नहीं actually इतनी male friendships ना जिंदगी में. और ऐसी है, अगर मेरी top 15, चलो 15 ज्यादा हो गए, top 10 हैं ही लड़कियां. नहीं, सिड बत्रा भी ऐसी बात नहीं है. He will kill me. But the thing is कि my female friendships are like my bras. You know? They are my many various bras of different fits because they all support me differently and I support them differently, right? So we truly are the support we are looking for each other, right? So I genuinely feel कि their gentle hands have like literally carried me through most stuff in life. और हम कितने फनी है यार. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम इनसेन है. हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप कभी लीक हो गया ना, तो मैं तो ये सोचती हूँ कि क्या होगा. रो
नाम क्या है इस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का?
नाम तो बहुत सिंपल है. उसका नाम है गर्ल्स. ताकि देखो गर्ल्स हैं हम, बेसिक है, और गर्ल्स से बात करेंगे. सो गर्ल्स ताकि मिल जाए. अब बहुत हो गया क्योंकि पहले कभी वीकेंड था, फिर एक पॉइंट पे था चन्या चोली और समथिंग, हर टाइप का. पर अब हम सिंपल पे आ गए हैं. दूसरे ग्रुप का नाम है जस्ट फॉर फन.
क्या बात,
लाइक जस्ट फॉर फन. यहाँ पे फन होगा. तो वहां पर हर प्रकार की बात हो रही है. खाने से लेकर, लड़कों से लेकर, शादी से लेकर, बच्चों से लेकर, एग फ्रीजिंग से लेकर, फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस. सारी लड़कियां आज की डेट में हम कुछ ना कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ अस आर इन दिस ब्यूटीफुल ट्रांजिशन पीरियड. ओह, मैं तो उस ग्रुप के बारे में सोचती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हे भगवान, उस ग्रुप में मेरी पूरी जिंदगी है. वो ग्रुप सलामत रहे हमेशा सलामत रहे. There will be like 300 messages in one go and then somebody will come, one of the late Latifs will come and be like, yeah, I'm not reading that.
Yes.
Can someone TLDR for me? Because हुआ क्या भाई, मैं 45 मिनट अपने फोन से दूर थी और तुमने यहाँ पे कोई एक फिल्म ही चला दी है. हुआ क्या?
That's hilarious.
Yeah, my girlfriends are like too funny. Yaar. They really put me in my place. Truly.
I want to ask you that, is there a pressure because Kusha, we literally watched you go from our phones to the big screen. I was one of those people who went to the theater to watch you and thank you for coming. We may not know each other as friends or whatever, but hey, this is a journey of someone I supported. That's why I went, I want to ask you that, did this journey of becoming this new version of yourself, where did the weight loss come in? And I'm curious to know because, what is the reason ultimately? Do we have to subscribe to a certain body type? is that important? Was there a health reason? The reason I'm asking you is because I'm navigating this on your behalf, looking at you saying, she looks great. But there are comments I read then.
Yeah.
There are people who literally say, I used to like her when she was plump.
Yeah.
Have you ever read that about yourself?
Yeah. It's okay, right? My point is, I understand that. I understand that because a huge part of my online personality was championing the fact that I am very okay in my body. But it was always, I am very okay in my body. It was not, body positivity, I do not think was always about, it was about that your body is not the most interesting thing about you, right? Like
Completely.
let us be whoever we want to be.
Yes.
From the film perspective, as you're saying, losing weight, what I must tell you is that I have done roles in all sizes,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
In Sukhi, like if you see, I am in the size that I was.
1 second, we are not talking about anything drastic.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
like
yeah.
Bhumi in her first film versus Bhumi in Thank You for Coming, that was a massive size difference.
Yeah.
What irritates the shit out of me is that we are looking at this size difference also as if being too big. It wasn't.
No, but
So what's the definition?
Bhumi also on her behalf, because I've worked with her and I've watched her interviews and I've sat with her in interviews. She was asked to put on that weight for her. She's an actor.
Yeah.
An actor will transform.
Yeah.
In the West, people are transforming their bodies for whatever role. If Bhumi tomorrow has to do an action sequence, she would want to put on muscle, right?
Correct.
So she's one of the best we have in our country, and we would want to see her in every role. I want to see Bhumi Pednekar in every role possible. Last year I got like routine health checkup, and my reports were not great, and I don't want my reports to not be great. उससे पहले हमेशा सही थी.
Correct.
Last year सही नहीं थी, तो I was like, let's do something about it.
Great.
You know, I feel like उतना तो होना चाहिए ना.
Yeah.
I understand that we do run on people's opinion of us, and I absolutely understand, and I also understand that some people might feel like, okay, she's not the same person anymore, but that's okay. I do not think it's my job to sit
address.
and change people's opinion. Maybe it will change in due course. Maybe they will feel differently in some time, but ये अगर इस पे फिक्सेट करने लग गए
तो काम
कि
कब
किसी को एक को पसंद नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं पहले, ठीक है, पहले तुमको बेहतर लगती थी तो ठीक है, शायद वो बेहतर थी तुम्हारे लिए, हाँ, तुम्हारे लिए वो बेहतर. अभी मुझे मेरी जिंदगी में जिसकी मेरे पास 100% ओनरशिप है, दिस लाइफ दैट आई हैव and I'm very blessed to have, which I've built, I would like to take calls for myself which are best suited for me health wise.
Completely.
So it's
completely.
okay.
I want to ask you, what does being an actor entail? Because famous तो हम हो जाते हैं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
You know, लेकिन acting करना एक craft है.
बिल्कुल.
And I truly believe that what separates, you know, the stars from, you know, others is the ones who actually crack the acting. Have you sat one day and said कि यार acting, how is it different from doing what I do on internet versus today when you're in the spaces with other people?
Yeah.
And what is the process that you've given yourself? What is the learning that you've done to be an actor?
Yeah, I think running into acting as headless chickens is the worst thing you can do for yourself. Not realizing it's a completely different craft. और जो यहाँ पर बेहतरीन एक्टर्स बैठे हुए हैं वो तपस्या करके आए हैं यहाँ पर. तो वो पहले तो फिल्म स्कूल गए हैं, एक्टिंग स्कूल गए हैं, वहाँ सीखे हैं, बहुत थिएटर किया है, बहुत देर तक उन्हें अपना ड्यू मिला है. You know, people who are not overnight successes. If you look at the best, one of the best actors we have in our country right now. तो I think ये समझ आनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये सोचना कि आप short form content बनाते हैं और आप suddenly अब आप acting भी कर पाएंगे, वो मेरे हिसाब से भूल है. वो आपको नहीं करना चाहिए. आपको वक्त लेना चाहिए समझने के लिए कि acting है क्या. It's a completely different discipline, completely different craft. आप workshop करिए. जब तक देश की सारी workshops आपने नहीं कर ली हैं, अगर आप स्कूल नहीं जा सकते acting स्कूल, क्योंकि अब आपने उस एज के आप परे हो चुके हैं, तो जितनी वर्कशॉप्स हैं आप घूट कर पिए, आप लगातार रोज एक्टिंग प्रैक्टिस करिए.
Have you been doing that?
Yes, I have been. I have workshop now. I am going to be joining an actor's room now, where you have to do a number of scenes before they tell you that you have graduated. So I am doing all of that, and I am really enjoying it.
That's
अब मुझे ना वो नहीं है कि यार मिल नहीं रहा, कुछ नहीं होता, because every day I am doing something.
मेरी ट्रेनिंग चालू है.
मेरी ट्रेनिंग चालू है. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट नाउ व्हेन आई ऑडिशन नो, पहले मैं ऑडिशन करती थी, आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक क्या हुआ ऑडिशन का, पूछो जरा पूछो ऑडिशन का क्या हुआ. अभी क्या है कि जब आप एक प्रोसेस से ऑडिशन देने जाते हैं तो फिर आपको लगता है कि आपने ऑडिशन ठीक दिया है, अब वो होगा नहीं होगा. आई फॉलोड एवरीथिंग दैट माई टीचर हैज टॉट मी एंड डन इट. आई हैव गिवन 2 ऑडिशंस आफ्टर माई वर्कशॉप and I have followed everything my teacher has taught me about how to approach this, and I'm very happy. Like I'm now sitting here not worrying about वो मिलेगा तो मिलेगा.
Lovely.
And shout out to my teacher Rachit. You know, like a lot of people have helped me reach that workshop. Ayush, for instance, Ankush, who have all been doing it and practicing. So people are practicing on the side, and I've got to meet some wonderful people
That's
here.
so lovely.
So I thought कि मैं लोगों से कैसे मिलूंगी, क्योंकि आप अपनी इंडस्ट्री में या तो इंडस्ट्री के ही लोगों से मिलते हैं, आप मतलब आप लोगों से नहीं मिलते हैं फॉर हु दे आर, यू आर मीटिंग फॉर व्हाट दे डू. और इस शहर में एक चीज भी है ना, पहला सवाल ये है कि आप what are you doing now? How are you doing now is not a thing here. So वो वर्कशॉप में मुझे थोड़े लगा कि this is like a nice human connection टाइप की चीजें थी.
You know,
so I'm excited.
I'm glad you shared, because I really hoped that you were spending time doing this.
Yeah, I got time.
Because when you have opportunity, I feel a lot of people, you know, mistake opportunity for being good. It's just an opportunity.
This is like the most important.
Yeah.
शायद वक्त लगता है आपको समझने में, क्योंकि आप बेबी स्टेप्स ले रहे हैं और आपको एकदम से अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है तो आप सोचते हैं कि अरे आप ले क्यों नहीं रहे हैं यहाँ पे, पर क्या आप तैयार हैं इसके लिए?
Exactly.
तो अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि साल में एक बढ़िया चीज आ जाए, एज अपोज टू 6-7 प्रोजेक्ट्स जिसमें आप समझ ही नहीं आ रहा.
Kusha Kapila is now Amir Khan, guys.
No, I'm not.
साल में एक चीज आ जाए, he's like
But
that.
उतनी opportunities है ना. I'll be very honest, bro. It's not like I have like 20 things lined up for me in fiction. तो या तो मैं इसको 2 तरह से approach कर सकती हूँ, या तो I am continuously auditioning, or I can make something of my own.
Yeah.
Because लिखना आता है.
Yes.
I can commission writers to write something nice. मैं वो कर सकती हूँ, पर मुझे ये समझ आ गया कि अच्छा कुछ भी बनाने में वक्त लगता है.
बिल्कुल लगता है.
अगर आप भुवन को भी देखेंगे, वो बैठा है 1-1.5 साल. भुवन और रोहित राज बैठे हैं 1-1.5 साल, और जब तक कुछ अच्छा नहीं बना वो नहीं आते हैं बाहर.
बिल्कुल.
आई थिंक हैविंग दैट एबिलिटी टू सिट बैक and wait for magic to happen while you're continuously working and practicing every day, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है.
I am here for women creators. I think some of them already exist. I think Sumukhi is a blazing example.
Oh my God, Sumukhi is the best example.
Sumukhi, we just love not just what you do on, you know, stage or on camera, but also, you know, she's doing the work.
वो रोज काम करती है, वो रोज उठ के काम करती है. You know what I'm saying? And in this profession, what happens is कि आप रोज काम करना भूल जाते हैं, and that's what I really missed working. I really missed working towards something every day. So now that discipline of writing, breathing, scene करना रोज एक, वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, because I feel like मैंने कुछ तो किया है ना रोज. ये नहीं है कि मैं project दर project काम कर रही हूँ. तो वो अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
Thank God. I mean, I'm so glad that you are making this your life
and
right now.
30s are a beautiful time to learn something new, to explore something new, and shout out to everyone in their 30s who move to a new city trying to do something new. क्योंकि आसान नहीं होता. You are moving away from your comfort, you are moving away from your family, अपने बचपन के दोस्तों से. आप suddenly अकेले हैं एक नए शहर में, और एक नया पहाड़ और चट्टान, आप basically you're trying to ride it and you're trying to climb it. It's not easy. So I know a lot of people जिनके लिए ये शायद आसान नहीं है, but it's after the first year and the second year that you try to get the hang of it.
Yeah, and I hope that you are. I really loved, you know, that reel you put out with Farah recently, where you were talking about influencers and Bollywood and how they need each other. Do you think at this point you're still looked at as an influencer? Is that a battle? Or do you think that people are now looking at you as an actor? And either is okay, it doesn't matter. So, but what do you feel? Do you feel that ye perception you need to work at all?
I feel perception is not in your hands to change at all. ये वाला जो पूरा,
ये मेरे हाथ में नहीं है.
हाँ, ये कुरुक्षेत्र मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, तो मैं यहाँ लड़ूंगी भी नहीं, और ना मैं लड़ना चाहती हूँ यहाँ पर. I also don't lie. I do not mind the tag of a content creator. I wear it very loud and proud. है, अरे हमने बनाया है content. एक वक्त पे हमने 2 साल रोज content डाला है. So that's okay, and I'm hugely proud. And क्यों नहीं होंगे यार, वो सारा बैंक है, वो पड़ा है, Instagram पे लोग देख सकते हैं. But the thing is, वो कहते हैं ना जोक्स चलते रहने चाहिए विद फरा ऑल्सो, विद फरा मैम नो शी वाज सो इन ऑन द जोक, उनको सारे जोक
She's
बताए,
so
विच इज
smart.
माई पॉइंट, एवरीबडी शुड बी इन ऑन द जोक। लिया तो उस पे भी है ना, बेइज्जती तो उस पे भी करवाई है,
बिल्कुल।
बिल्कुल करवाई है। और द थिंग इज, पर वो सबको मजा आया उसमें,
बिल्कुल।
वो रील के बारे में डिस्कस हुआ, सबको फनी लगा, मुझे तो बहुत ही मजा आया क्योंकि फरा मैम इतनी नेचुरली फनी है, लाइक आई फेल्ट she like killed that reel.
She's so sharp.
She's so sharp. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक्टर समझने में ना बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा अभी, 5-6 साल 7 साल तो कहीं नहीं गए। और उसमें भी अगर आपको कोई ऐसा रोल मिलता है जिसमें डायरेक्टर हैज फेथ इन यू एंड देन यू आल्सो डू योर बेस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, वो एक इंटरसेक्शन होगा ऑफ थिंग्स, तब तक आई जस्ट keep creating stuff. Maybe I will figure out something to make on my own.
Yeah, please do that. We're here for that. I want to see you do that.
Yeah.
This is a really fun segment,
Okay.
And mostly people want to talk, about the worst parts. But we have a segment called the best part.
Okay.
So, what's the best part, Kusha Kapila, about the iDiva phase for you?
Oh, that you were so free.
Fantastic.
ऐसे लगता था
No
कि
fear.
No fear, मतलब पजामे में नाड़ा नहीं है यार खुला घूम रहे हैं, खुला चल रहे हैं, एंड इट वाज जस्ट उफ, मैं नहीं भूल सकती, वो बहुत बहुत बढ़िया टाइम था।
What's the best part about moving to Mumbai?
The fact that I can take an auto at 3 a.m. in the morning and that I can go to the beach, and then when there is nothing in the world and everything fails, you have the beach to go to where there will be salt in the air and it will heal you.
That's true. What's the best part about being the size that you desire?
That your PCOD is almost reversed, that your acne issues are, your body is taking care of it, and your body is like, you show me some love and I show you some love back. So yeah.
पीले पानी
And endorphins, वो सब तो बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज है, वो तो मतलब साइंस है। अब साइंस को थोड़ी ना हम वो कर सकते हैं।
तुम्हारा, I'm sure you do a lot of movies and series, but hey babe, let me tell you that the thing that I share is the drink water bitch. Like वो मेरा favorite चीज है।
पानी पी ले बहन।
वो मैं देखती हूँ दिन में एक बार, just to remind myself कि पानी पीना
मैं
चाहिए।
नहीं पीती हूँ यार, मैं बिल्कुल पानी नहीं पीती हूँ, and I'm like, वो मेरे से ऐसा है, अरे पानी पी ले, you dehydrated bitch। पानी नहीं पिया है तूने 4 दिन से।
What's the best part about being single?
I don't know if this has sunk in yet. I don't think I have honestly thought about being single in the last 1.5 years, because there was a lot of other stuff I was thinking about shifting,
Yeah, of
about
course.
settling,
Of course.
about being okay. तो ये अभी पता नहीं है, और मुझे शायद पता भी नहीं है,
नहीं
because
चाहिए,
I actually completely missed that dating apps and all of that वाला phase, and I still
Are you not on Raya?
not at all.
What?
Yes.
दीदी
राया पे वो आपसे पैसे मांगते हैं।
प्लीज इस पर 2 मिनट हम विचार विमर्श करेंगे।
मैं-
Women like us ain't paying for nothing.
प्यार करने के लिए पैसे लगते हैं अब, ये मुझे पता, आई एम सॉरी।
कितनी ओल्ड स्कूल
मेरा मिस हो गया वो बस का, मैं बहुत ओल्ड स्कूल हूँ।
Yeah.
मैं तो ओल्ड स्कूल में भी मतलब अभी मॉन्टेसरी में हूँ, मैं बहुत ओल्ड स्कूल हूँ।
लव इट
वहाँ पे वो प्रीमियम और एक 2 पेजेस है ना, एक प्रीमियम और एक वो,
हाँ।
उसके आगे नहीं बढ़ पाई हूँ मैं, और ये मैं आपको बकायदा एज प्रूफ दिखा सकती हूँ कि उस वाले पेज के आगे नहीं बढ़ी हूँ मैं, और मैं नहीं बढ़ूंगी। प्यार के लिए पैसा खर्च नहीं करेगी मैं।
That's true. I know the problem with that intrinsically, but the truth is that if you want,
gotta do what you gotta
do what you gotta do. I mean,
Maybe I'll warm up to it in some time.
absolutely don't need to take it or leave it, whatever you want.
कुछ
but-
ऑर्गेनिकली होना होगा, हो जाएगा।
हाँ, मतलब यार, it's up to you यार, it's up to you.
हो ही जाएगा। कोई पेड़ हिलेगा, कोई पत्ता गिरेगा, कोई ब्रीज चलेगी, कोई बाल लहराएगा। जब तक ये सब नहीं होगा तब तक मजा कैसे आएगा?
बिल्कुल दीदी। What is the best part about being an actor for you?
That you get to be in a scene with such epic people. वही मैं बार बार बोलूंगी कि मैंने देवेंद्र और विनय पाठक सर के साथ एक सीन करने को मिला, उससे बड़ी बात कुछ है नहीं, बिकॉज हमारे सीन्स बहुत ऐसे हैं, वे कॉन्स्टेंटली लाइक फीडिंग ऑफ ईच अदर्स एनर्जी। ऐसे लोगों से मिलना, और दूसरा द फैक्ट दैट इट्स सो लाइक ग्रैंड एंड देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल वर्किंग ऑन अ सेट टू मेक दैट वन सीन लुक गुड एंड मेक इट लुक रियल। तो द सीरियसनेस ऑफ इट ऑल, the grandiosity is what, that's the word, grandeur of all of it is just
It's stunning. Absolutely. What's the best part about being a multi-hyphenate? कि मैं तो क्रिएटर भी हूँ, एक्टर भी हूँ, मैं कुशा भी हूँ, मैं कपिला भी हूँ, you know, because very few of us, हम सबसे बोला जाता है एक चीज करो और अच्छे से करो, but you've kind of always been more than one thing. What's the best part about it?
कि आप कभी भी उसको बैक स्पेस कर सकते हैं कि अभी मुझे हाइफेनेट नहीं, अभी मुझे सिंगुलर होना है. So like I feel like I'm moving more towards trying to specialize in one thing. It'll be nice. It'll be nice to know one skill properly. It doesn't matter now if I've made it in that skill. Because I have made it in some way in my career, I do not have that pressure कि अब यहाँ पे भी you have to make it.
तोड़ देना है.
Yeah, तो the fact that you know always एक hyphen आप हटा सकते हैं. Yeah.
What is success for you now, today? When will you think that you're? Do you okay? As women, we are constantly going through self-doubt.
Yeah.
When two men talk, and I say this very often, it's automatically a podcast. Women have been talking for years, and till today, I don't have the confidence to say, "Ye mera podcast hai," you know. And this is my thing. I have to deal with it. So, coming back to my question, do you consider yourself to be a success, and what would make you more successful?
I think I'm successful. It's okay. It's. I think you should admit it. ऐसा नहीं है. And I feel like by doing that, I will just unnecessarily be putting myself down. I've done okay for myself, and I would like to pat myself on the back. But now I'm trying to make a name for myself in some other field and in some other discipline, right? Altogether. So मैं अगर कुछ भी यादगार कर जाऊं, something memorable in this, I will be happy. I do not have benchmarks right now for what I want to achieve.
Okay.
I'm actually pretty zen right now.
You're chilling.
Yeah, like my leg is not moving like this. I'm actually pretty zen. I'm okay. I just want to make content जो ऐसे posterity के लिए रहे. You know, 10 साल बाद भी वो मजा आए लोगों को.
Legacy content.
हाँ, I want to make legacy content. I want to be a part of that kind of stuff. तो अगर मुझे किसी के साथ होने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं शायद नहीं, मैं पक्का 1-2 साल में कुछ बना ही लूंगी. कुछ तो अच्छा बनाऊंगी.
Inshallah. And they say a woman with money is the most dangerous sort of woman. I want to leave you with that thought, and there will be more of us.
Yeah.
So I want you to think about that deeply as we close this interview. Kusha, I am so grateful that you actually spoke to me today.
Yeah.
Not because we were out here to promote your show, but honestly, I've been wanting to talk to you for a while.
Yes.
So thank you for honoring the request in a time that was not really the best for you.
Yeah. But thank you so much for having me. I think the sensitivity with which you just speak, it's so comforting because sometimes we're just looking to be heard.
Yeah,
it's not always about talking. It's like maybe I say 5 things and I want to feel heard.
Yeah.
So
yeah, but thank you so much.
Thank you.
It means a lot.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Kusha Kapila and I've just spoken to Ro Talks at length. बहुत ही प्यारा इंटरव्यू है, तो अगर आपको पसंद आए तो इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सुनो, सब्सक्राइब कर लेना.